Otherwise, I think she's fun to be with because yeah, we didn't have any scene in the film at all. There was just this 2 second scene in the film, which I don't consider as being together and acting at all because it was there's hardly anything in the film. But otherwise, now when we uh, promote the film, when we go out together, I get to interact with her, and it's nice chatting with her.
Mohit's first film, and he's younger than all of you, all four of you. Uh, was it the other way around over here?
Okay, he's not younger than all of us because I'm the youngest. I'm 21.
Okay, you.
Mohit is 23.
Okay.
So,
Was
yeah.
so in spite of being the director, was he bullied on the sets?
Was he?
Bullied on the sets, in fact.
No, not at all. In fact, I know people were so scared of Mohit because he will scream at people if they don't do their job right. Which, in a way, I think is very good because at this age, he's got that sense of responsibility and to do what is right and to know what is wrong. And like many people are asking me that if I had no apprehension working with a new director, but I really didn't have because I'm sure of what Mohit can do because he's assisted Vikram Bhatt for 6 years and obviously that experience counts. And the other thing is that Mukesh Bhatt will not just give money to a new director to direct his film. He is also sure of what Mohit can do. So it was nice to work with him. And when we were on the set working, it was only work. He will not even look at you and say hi or bye. But when we are not working, then we used to chat and then have dinner and lunch together. So
Because the newcomers, they bring in some new ideas of their own, and
for sure. And in fact, with new directors, the other plus point is that nobody will like you will not find any director going for the background music or going for the dubbing of any actor or anything. But with new director, they will want their product to be A1. Like there should not be any flow. And also like small details like going for the background score, going for the dubbing of the actor. It could be any junior artist also. So only a new director will pay so much attention. Otherwise, it's not the director's job. It's the AD's job to go for these things.
what kind of response have the preview shows got?
Very good, very good. In fact, I was shocked because people wanted to see more. Like they want after each scene, they wanted to know what is going to happen next, which I think is a very good thing because then that will make you sit in the theatre and watch the entire film and not just walk out because if you get bored of the film or anything. So I think it's a very good we got a good response.
So, do you think, in hindsight now, this would have been a better launchpad for you than say Paap?
No. In fact, in that case, I think when I was a model only, I got many roles. I was offered many roles where I was supposed to play this commercial heroine and do all the dancing and singing and all that. And in fact few of the films were super hit also, but then I'm still glad that that Paap was my first film because then people took me seriously. See, you might be talented, but if you only do dancing and singing, nobody will think you're talented. They will say that yeah, you're this nice looking girl who knows how to dance and who's into okay acting, but they will not take you seriously. But with Paap, what has happened is that Paap could be a flop. It does not really matter. But I don't think anything could have been better than Paap because Paap was all about me. And it's not that I'm not doing singing, dancing also. I have other films that I'm doing where I'm singing and dancing and where I'm actually wearing a sari. It's the rain song and all that, with the hero. So that is the most filmy that you can get. But I am doing all that also. So it's just that, I wanted people to take me seriously with my first film, which I think they did. Nobody can say Udita Goswami does not know how to act.
There's quite a gap between that film and the release of Zahir, even though you are shooting for some other film. Do you think out of sight, out of mind is going to happen?
It happens. Out of sight is out of mind. But with me, it was a conscious thing because I didn't want to end up doing films just to be seen. Even as a model, yeah, and in fact when I just started modeling also, I was so choosy about what I did. In fact, people used to tell me that you're not even like a top model and still look at how you're behaving. You're actually refusing so many good brands. But then that is me. I rather be a part of a good project where I'm getting that good money as well, than just doing anything and everything. And after Paap, I got so many roles where few films they wanted me to be the sex bomb, or few films a multi-star film where there are 3 heroes, 3 heroines. But what will I get out of the film? The heroes are going to take the credit or the director is going to take the credit. Me as one heroine will not get anything from the film. So I thought I'd rather be jobless than doing something which I'm not happy doing. But then it is after 7 to 8 months I started getting roles that I wanted to do. In fact, even Zahir, for me at that time I had signed 3 films, and for me to adjust the dates of Zahir wasn't easy at all, but it was actually Pooja who convinced me that I must do the film. I didn't want to do the film not because it had anything, the story was bad or anything, just because I had dates problem. And I literally was doing day and night, like Zahir was being shot in Goa. I had Amar Joshi Shaheed Ho Gaya. There's this another film that I'm doing, being shot in Bombay. I used to work the full night in Goa, take the early morning flight back to Bombay, go straight for my shooting to Amar Joshi, shoot the full day, and then 2-3 days shooting, yeah, then again go back to Goa. So I've actually done all that. But I guess it's all worth what I went through.
Now, in hindsight, do you think it was worth it?
Yeah.